See, the thing is, I condemn any type of lobbying, any type of assault on not only activists, anybody. The law and order situation should always be good. Such things are to be condemned. But at the same time, my earnest appeal to this to everybody: don't give anything any color. What is bad, and it should be so. So the law is taking its course. Police has taken action. So where is the thing? Some people are producing some on social media, some photograph that I was seen with somebody. They're just trying to make it viral. Right? Now anyone asks for a photograph here, I have to stand with that person. And why not? Tomorrow some mistake is committed by that particular person. I should be projected that I am encouraging something. It's very bad. It's in bad taste that such things are being done.
So there are CCTV installed in various panchayats across Goa, and which is not maintained and not working. Don't you feel that CCTV would have played a crucial role in tackling this case earlier, sir?
See, number one, we are in pandemic times, and in spite of the pandemic, our panchayats everywhere have performed well as far as doing works in the villages are concerned. For the first time, funds have got exhausted, whether it is Zilla bodies, whether it is your panchayats. Now, having said that, installation of CCTV is to be done everywhere. Sankwal is an old panchayat. Now they are going to lay the foundation stone for a new panchayat. I am sure that is on their plan to have digital cameras or CCTV cameras everywhere installed. That is going to be the plan of all modern panchayats.
Okay.